good late morning, you guys. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So as far as my weekend is whack. I feel like everybody that's shared their bonuses lately have been
he in a rush. And he's not even going nowhere. People like that are just straight annoying. He ain't even going nowhere. Look, he going to the Metro PC. Really? Really?
yeah, everybody that I've seen, theirs kind of suck. So I don't feel as bad because look, we all suck together, right? And so I think for mine, I think I needed like 9 for $1 or 7 for $1. And so I wasn't even trying to focus on that. I was just going to just try to tackle the larger one since I think I only needed like 12 more to hit that. And so that's kind of what I shot for, getting back to $9, which is cool. So basically I'll get back 10. I think I have a few more Flavor Wiki surveys to do. What else? Y'all, I've been doing Walmart rewards. I already had like my primary account and my backup account, and then now I have Joseph's account too, but because I don't want to have to add different forms of payment to each of them, what I've started doing is just activating the offer and then scan the receipt. So for those of you who don't really use Walmart rewards that much, and maybe it's a little intimidating whether or not you're gonna get your offers or not or whatever, like lately, that's what I've been doing. Go in the app, click the offer, go check out, and then scan that receipt into the app. And you basically get the like rewards just as fast as you would if you were scanning the QR code. Now, if you want to redeem points, then you definitely have to definitely have to scan the QR code basically. So if I'm just earning, I'll just do it that way. But when it comes to redeeming, I have to scan the QR code. And so when I did the Kinder for Walmart and then all 3 Walmart accounts, which is crazy, they was probably looking at me like I was stupid in there with a big old box of dang Kinders. Like, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you sure? So I wanted to mention that. As far as Flavor Wiki, how do they pay you? They send you a verification. Not verification email. It's a claim type email, right? Saying, voila, here's your money. Like, how do you want us to pay you? That you have to specify how you want. I always do PayPal. And that pretty much goes through right away. All right. But when you're checking your emails, just make sure you don't accidentally. If you accidentally delete it, I've done it before too. You have to contact them and have them reissue it or resend the email. So with that being said, because I've talked enough, we're going to head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what you can grab, hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up. So this first deal is on the Kinder. These, you guys, did end up popping up on Walmart Rewards as well. It reset for me on Ibotta too. So my greedy butt did a set of 5 for 3 Walmart accounts and Ibotta. So I got 20 of them. Is that 20? Yes, I got 20 of them, 127 each. You get that back, making all of them absolutely free. All right, next up is the Capri Sun Hydrate with electrolytes. This is a Ripple Street offer, priced at $3.47. You'll get that back, making this absolutely free. All right, so this next deal here is on the market side, mini chocolate croissants. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do these. They don't really look all that appetizing. I don't know. One of you guys made a comment about your mom getting these. They're priced at $4.98. We have an offer on Flavor Wiki for $4, making this 98 cents. I went ahead and decided to grab the Pop-Tarts, the raspberry flavor. Now they don't carry it at Walmart in my area. These look so good. They do have it at Vons, so I went ahead and grabbed it there. It was priced at $3.50, getting back $5 on Flavor Wiki, making that $1.50 moneymaker. Now for that offer, I did have 2 separate offers, so I'm gonna try submitting the same one for both and see if it comes through. I was really crossing my fingers that my offers, or at least some of them, will go through by Friday, but they didn't. So most likely they won't clear until Monday, Tuesday. This is the store doesn't carry. That's why I tell refreshers. I'll have to pop up a picture. I did this deal yesterday, was it? Um, they are priced at $4.68. You want to grab two. You'll pay $9.36. You'll get back $5 on EasyBucks and $6 on Ibotta, which is 3 for each, making them both $8.64 moneymaker. Now, what I did is I went ahead and grabbed a set for Ibotta. I grabbed a set for Walmart Rewards as well and stacked that one, I think, with inbox dollars, making all 4 of them free plus a like $3 moneymaker, which is really awesome. All right. Of course, I have to do the finish again. Now, this one was on a timer for me, priced at $4.94. I am still using the $3 Knox coupon, bringing that total down to $1.94, getting back to an Ibotta, making that a 6-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. So this next deal is on the Axe. This is the one I would get if I was doing it, grabbing 2 of those at $4.98. Now I do have a $1.50 LTC. I'm not doing this deal today, so I can't confirm if it's going to work for me. But 2 of them is going to be $9.96. If the OTC works, it'll take off $1.50, bringing that down to $8.46, getting back 6 on Ibotta for buying 2, bringing them down to $1.23 each. Of course, you can grab this one, or you can grab any of the other ones that are. So this is like the best time to come in the morning because like all the cases, well, they're stocking and stuff, but I like coming early in the morning. I have to do an oil change today, so I was here at 6 o'clock, and I'm gonna be here for a while. But I like it because all the cases are open. So we got the razors back on Ibotta. The Extreme is priced at $6.78, $4 coupon. We do have $3 coupons on coupons.com as well, which will bring that down to $3.78, getting back 3 on Ibotta makes a 78-cent limit of 3. And then we also have Hydro Silk at the same price, $6.78, $3 coupon, pay $3.78, get back 2 makes it $1.78. And then this store doesn't have any of the Skintimate right now, but that one's priced at $6.27. Paid $3.27 after the printable. Get back 2 makes it $1.27, limit of 3. See, best time. Everything is always open. Well, this side is not open. Wait a minute. They just locked these up. Last time I was here, this wasn't locked up. But yeah, this deal here is on the True Skin. I haven't did this deal in a while, but it is still going on. It's still G-wording. If you get the cheapest one here, it's priced at $14.68. You want to grab 2 of those, you'll pay $29.36, getting back 24 on EasyBucks, and then $4 for each on Ibotta and 3 on Checkout 51, making it a $5.64 moneymaker. I know one of you guys mentioned that they have a cheaper one, a vitamin C one. That is $8 and change, and that one works as well. All right, so this next deal is on the VH Essentials. I did put up a community post a few days ago on this deal. It popped up on Aisle, which was crazy because we already had it on the sister apps. We had it on Fetch. We have it on Ibotta as well. So for this, I grabbed 4 of the sprays, priced at $7.97. I paid $31.88 out of pocket. Getting back $3.99 for each on Ibotta. For Aisle, the offer is up to 3. You get 50% back. So we got back $11.97 from Aisle. There's $10 back on EasyBucks, and then 6 on Fetch Rewards, which was $2 for each one, or $2 for 3 of them, making all 4 a $12.05 moneymaker. So this is the last deal on the Muscle Milk. Same deal that I did in my last video, I think. I'm gonna wait till Sunday and see if the offer resets on Checkout 51. But for this, you're gonna grab 1 at $7.98. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta, 3 on Checkout 51, and 3 on Swagbucks. Makes it a 2-cent moneymaker. Now I do have an offer on Fetch that's buy 2 get back $3.50. So I'll be grabbing a second one, submitting that one to Walmart Rewards, Checkout 51, or the second account, and then inbox dollars, and then we'll get back at $3.50 on Fetch, making the second one a $3.52 moneymaker. Actually pretty stoked because I don't know if you guys remember, I bought the Alani. I bought this particular one, and I got this one on clearance at this store for $1 some time ago. And I saw these single ones sitting here, and I scanned them, and they are $1. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab all 4 of these as well. Really quick, I know that some of you guys might have this offer for for Flavor Wiki. I know Amy, she had it. This is for the 3 count. I just saw these on these hang strips. I think the offer on Flavor Wiki is $6, but they also have a display. I'll show you what it looks like, so you can look for that as well. They have this Wellness Minis display right here that has all of the travel size stuff, and so you can also find them here as well. Of course, you can check online and see if you, sometimes online will say they don't have it and then they did also have it. So, but yeah, look for this display and you'll be able to find those vitamins. All right, y'all. So I had to go to Costco to get some protein, and I said, let me do this deal real quick on these Danishes. So I went and got one. They're $11.99. And the cashier was like, oh, it's 2 for that price. So you're just going to run back and get another one. So, you know, I quickly ran my butt back there and got a second one, getting back $15 on Flavor Wiki. Making the both of these a $3.01 moneymaker. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. This haul worked out really good. Let me say something real quick, y'all. Look, I was leaving food for less today, and I've never, ever, I mean, I think I've heard of this happening, but never actually seen it. So this guy, he leaves food for less, and he's probably got like a good six cases of water, like 35 count cases of Kroger water. We have a recycling place like on the side of Food for Less. Why is he over there dumping all the water out and recycling the bottles? I was so shocked. I was like, oh my God. I had half a mind to just buy the cases from him. Obviously, he needed money. He probably used, I don't know, food stamps or something to pay for them. Obviously, he ain't going to pay cash and then recycle them and dump it, right? But I was like, oh my God, that is crazy. It's crazy that people have to do that, all right? It's completely sad that people have to do that. But anyways, take care of your loved ones, you know, check on your people, see if they good. And he didn't even really look like he would be doing that. But yeah, check on your people. All right. So with that being said, everything here worked out good. Look how massively huge these Danishes are. So I got one. Maybe I don't know if I put that clip in. I got one thinking it was $11.99 each, because when I looked online, that's what it said. I'm like, okay, it's still a moneymaker. I go to check out to pay for it, and the scale is not, I don't know. The associate came and helped me. She said, oh, it's 2 for $11.99. I was like, OMG. So I got 2 of them. These are like nearly 900 calories per Danish. I cannot. So as soon as I'm done with this, they will find their forever home. All of this will find their forever home, okay? But look how, I did not think they was going to be this big, but OMG. And so with that being said, I'm going to try to run through this. I had a lot of receipts because, like I said, I was doing Walmart rewards, and I was just going to scan my receipts. I just felt like that was easier than trying to log in and out of each app, you know, that I needed to. I didn't want to mess nothing up. And so the only time I worried about scanning the QR code is when I was actually using Walmart rewards. And so yeah, so other than that, everything that you see here retails $114.76, $9 in coupons for the finish. They all still scan. I think I probably got like 4 or 5 left. And that brought the total down to $105.76. My sales tax was $573, and then we walk away with $44.31 from Ibotta. Walmart rewards $25.05. Flavor Wiki is $24. I'm not gonna count the extra 5 for the Pop-Tarts because I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but I will pin a comment Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday and let you know if it went through or not. Easy Bucks was $15. Aisle is $11.96. PayPal, we did $10.41. Fetch Rewards, $6. Inbox dollars is $5. And then last but not least, Ripple Street was $347. So I walk away with a total of $145.20 back. It's gonna make everything you see here free for the $39.44 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. It's not a huge haul. These Kinders right here, they's gonna find their forever home too. Because yeah, I just gave my sister all them candy bars and the other Kinders, and she about to take these Kinders too. If I had a little remember the candy store? Did y'all used to have a candy store when you were little? We used to have a candy store. If I had a candy store, oh yeah, I'd be in business. But yeah, they gonna have to find they forever home too. Because your girl, I have a plan, okay? And this is not a part of it. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button at the door. I want to see, is there a candy bar emoji? If you can find a candy bar emoji in the comments, I'd love to see it. With that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.